If you want to create your own YouTube channel, then you should check out this Wantabiz tutorial. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Then click the boxes icon and select YouTube. Then click on your profile picture and select My Channel. If you want to create a personal channel, click on the blue Create button. If you want to create a business channel, click on the link called Use Your Business or Other Name, like so. Then enter your channel name and click on the blue Create button. Congratulations! You've just created your own YouTube channel. Subscribe to learn more and ring that bell if you don't want to miss another update. And remember, Wantabiz is here to help you start your own business.